If you need to reset your AnyDesk password, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your AnyDesk unattended access password step by step so you can secure your remote connection in just a few minutes. This is useful if you forgot your old password, want to update it for security, or simply want to make sure only the right people can access your device. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open AnyDesk on your computer and wait for it to load completely. Make sure the app is fully open before you start changing any settings, because the security options may not appear until the program is ready. Once AnyDesk is open, look for the menu icon in the top right corner of the window. Click that menu icon, and from the drop-down list, select Settings. After you open Settings, you'll need to go to the Security or Access section, depending on which version of AnyDesk you're using. Different versions may label this area slightly differently, but the goal is the same. If you see a prompt asking you to unlock the settings before making changes, click Unlock. This step is important because AnyDesk protects its security controls so they can't be edited without permission. Now scroll down until you find the Unattended Access section. This is where AnyDesk stores the password that allows someone to connect to your device when you are not actively approving the connection. One important thing to know here is that if a password has already been set, AnyDesk will not show you the current password. That means you cannot view the existing one, but you can replace it with a new one. To reset it, click Set Password. A password box will appear, and this is where you can enter your new unattended access password. Type your new password carefully, then enter it again in the confirmation field to make sure both entries match. Choose a strong password that is easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. For better security, use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols if possible. Once both password fields are filled in, click Apply to save your changes. After that, your new AnyDesk password will be active, and anyone trying to connect to your device will need to use the updated password you just created. If you want to test it later, you can log out or try connecting from another device to confirm everything is working correctly. And that's how you reset or change your AnyDesk password. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and updating it regularly is a smart way to keep your remote access secure. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.